friends, let's start with the introduction part, introducing anthropology. So anthropology is one of the subject that is very much recommended and the high scoring subject in regards to UPSC CSE. And we are in this session will complete the introduction part of the anthropology, understand the things and make notes of. So introducing anthropology, we will cover the meaning and nature of anthropology. It will cover etymology, definitions, biosocial nature, comparative, integrative and holistic nature, anthropology as a field science, major branches of anthropology, biological anthropology, social cultural anthropology, archaeological anthropology, linguistic anthropology, relevance of anthropology in career, applied anthropology, action anthropology, and relation between anthropology and other disciplines, anthropology and biological science, anthropology and social science, origin and development of anthropology, human curiosity, anthropological exploration, origin and development of anthropology. Let's start with the incident of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi when he was in South Africa, faced the racial discrimination. He protested for the rights of the South African peoples, black people's mindset and the way of discriminating peoples. In India, we are very much familiar with caste-based discrimination, and in different part of the world and countries, there are different type of discriminations are faced by the people regarding their colors, their caste, their religion, their way of life, customs. Gender-based discrimination are very much common in most of the parts of the world. So different diversities in human society. We all encounter a number of differences in our day-to-day life. Most often, people are not ready to accept and appreciate human diversity. We experience diversity in every sphere of human life. There are significant variations in various aspects of human life across the nation and cultures. The Eskimos of Arctic live most exclusively upon meat and fish. Mexican Indians depend on cereal and vegetables. Milk and egg products is a luxury among the Bagand of East Africa, but for the people of West Africa it is least regarded. Fish is the main food of many American tribes, but the Navajo and the Apaches of New Mexico, Arizona consider it unfit for human consumption. Meat of dog is considered to be a very delicious for Mexican Indians. So these are the various areas and the various type of people, tribes that are different from each other, and there are different combination of food also are in their areas according to the climatic condition, environmental dependency and the behavioral pattern. Similarly, the Orthodox Jews do not combine meat and dairy products. Eskimos do not combine food and meat obtained from land. Variations are there in the process of eating, table manners and etiquettes. Anthropology as a discipline upholds the human diversity as it is a reality which need to be appreciated and accepted. Anthropology is interested in studying the biological, cultural uniqueness and variation of the most intelligent species on the earth, Homo sapiens sapiens. Anthropology as a distinct discipline with biosocial nature provides one with an opportunity to explore human. Kofi Annan, 7th UN Secretary General, he once said, "We may have different religions, different languages, different colored skin, but we all belong to one human race." Word anthropology was first coined by the Aristotle, the Greek philosopher. So let's start with meaning and nature of anthropology. We may have studied about the different aspects of human life in our earlier classes: biological origin, evolution, variations with study in biology, cultural variations in terms of food habits, belief system, dress pattern, political system. But meaningful understanding of human being requires an analysis of both biological and social in an integrated way. Anthropology looks at the aspect of unique and holistic perspective. The definition of anthropology will help you to identify how anthropology differs from other related subjects and disciplines. The etymology and definition of anthropology. So, Psychology came from the psycho plus logos. Sociology came from the socius plus logos. Ecology is oikos plus logos. Geology is geo plus logos. And anthropology is anthropos logos. Anthropos plus logos, that means the anthro means the human and the logos means study or a science. Basically, the study of human being in its holistic way that includes its behavior, its way of living, its existence, so all covered in a single subject, anthropology. Anthropology is the science of man. Out of all the sciences which study various aspects of man, anthropology is the one which come nearest to the total study of man. M. Jacob and B. Stern, they said anthropology is the scientific study of the physical, social, cultural development and behavior of human beings since their appearance on the earth. Anthropology is different from other subjects in many respects. That is, the anthropology very much related to different subjects like society, psychology, medical. We can say that anthropology is combination of all these subjects. Let's start with the biosocial nature of anthropology. The definition given by Herskowitz, the term man implies human as a biological organism. He said man is a biological entity and that work with the society to understand its culture. Anthropology studies organic and biological factors as well as the social and cultural factors. Both the factors are equally important for the human, for its origin, evolution and variation. Biological and social science, it is considered as a biosocial science. It is said that anthropology is most humanistic among the science and the most scientific among the humanities. Let's see how it is related with biology. Biology focuses on genetics, anatomical and psychological aspects of organism. In the same way, anthropology is also related with the human existence, human genetics, human anatomic and psychological aspects. Similarly, psychology focuses on primary mental cognitive behavior of human. Anthropology is more than biosocial science. It has many other peculiarities. Similarly, the economics examines the production, distribution and management of material resources. Political science deals with the political life of a human being. So, the anthropology is comparative and integrated discipline that examines all societies, ancient and modern, as well as simple and complex. It is also considered as a holistic science as it studies the whole human conditions, past, present and future, as well as biology, society, language and culture. In order to understand human in their totality, anthropologists resort to a unique method investigation by conducting long-term intensive fieldwork. Anthropology, a field science. There is a difference between a tourist and an anthropologic researcher. Tourist is a passer who watches things without any specific academic motive, but an anthropologist visits a place for various intentions to collect reliable and valid data for the resources. As anthropologists deal with human, social and cultural, they give prime importance to fieldwork method. There was an anthropologist, Margaret Mead. She focused on the fieldwork. She emphasizes on the fieldwork basically because fieldwork is a backbone of the anthropological research. Anthropologists use participant observation as one of the important techniques to collect data. Physical and biological scientists need a laboratory for conducting experiments, but for anthropologists, field is the laboratory which includes any place where people and culture are from. Fieldwork is the heart and soul of the anthropology, as it is a field science. During fieldwork, an anthropologist goes to the field, stays with people with whom wants to interact, learn their native language, observe the phenomena under study and record them systematically. It is true that all events in the society cannot be observed and studied at once. The researchers has to wait until they occur. The researcher can also utilize other techniques such as interview, case study. So today we complete our topic here. In my next class we will discuss about the major branches of anthropology. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel